Hi everyone, it's Allison Kirksey and I'm happy to see everybody. I'm glad we're getting a little chance to catch up with videos. I'm looking forward to watching all of those. I would like to introduce my new space. This used to be our guest room. If you can see behind me, there is nowhere for a person to sleep anymore. My husband, who also works for a university, has been allowed to work 100% from home. So we changed our guest room into a nice office. I can give you a sweet little tour. Here's his desk with the very manly toys on top, and here is mine. So we are able to social distance and quarantine and be together. In addition, my kiddos are here. My daughter is 12, my son is 9, and we have been doing the homeschool thing. So I have a little bit of a slideshow for everybody. Here is early on in our homeschooling adventures. My daughter is in band class, if you can't tell. Oops, going the wrong way. My son is over there reading. This is back when he used to wear shirts to class. So here they are in my bed because apparently better reading happens in mom's space. Here are my husband and my buddy. Here they are making some comic books and working together. We've had a lot of togetherness, a lot of chance to kind of have some adventures and some growing together. Here we are at church. Again, my son has no shirt on. This is my husband and I working out. Totally his favorite thing in the whole wide world. And I took this morning just because it made me laugh. He's reading his book on Epic, which is on my iPad, and then he has his laptop going, and then I have my school laptop going. So if you can't find a device, it's because we have all of them. Here is my daughter. She is a lovely, hardworking little dancer, and so what she's doing in this picture that I took like a creep is she has a little kindergarten class that she helps assist, and so she recorded a video of her reading a story, and so they had a bedtime story last night. And this is my last picture. This is me on my birthday. Happy birthday to me at home. It was so fun. My sister gave me a sweatshirt so I could rep my new school. And she also gave me this mug, which is full all the time, usually with coffee. It's been a great adventure. We've been blessed with some awesome weather here in Houston. So recess time has been pretty awesome. But as we are just going into this unknown season together, it is nice to have some consistency with classes and keeping up with people. And I appreciate this assignment where we can just kind of get a little glimpse into everyone else's crazy. And just best wishes to all of you guys.